Good morning, everyone. It's a pleasure to be here to present the imaginPlanet Challenge. This is a big contest, a huge competition, actually, to generate ideas for a better world. We started this amazing adventure last year during the pandemic. It was pretty tough, but it's been an amazing journey so far. So before to present the program, we have here today the opportunity to know a little bit more about what Imagin is and about the Imaginers community. So please welcome on stage Anna Canela, Head of Engagement of Imagin. Welcome, Anna.
I am very happy to be here today to do this short intro about Imagin and imaginPlanet, our sustainability program. Most of you probably already know Imagin, but for those who don't, Imagin is a digital lifestyle platform that offers both financial and non-financial services to our users. We are a customer-centric company, and we have open platform architecture so that we can integrate quickly and easily, cost-efficiently new services in order to cover our users' current and future needs. We have a clear purpose. We want to generate positive impact, and we aim to promote change towards a more sustainable and socially responsible planet. Currently, we are more than 3.7 million users with more than 23 monthly sessions and more than 4.2 P2P, so peer-to-peer payments, also on a monthly basis. Our engagement rate is pretty good. We have more than 40% engaged payrolls and 4.6 stores average rating. As I've said, at Imagin, we want to promote change for a more sustainable and socially responsible planet. imaginPlanet is the program that is aligned with these Imagin Wider's ESG goals in order to raise awareness among young people, to move towards action, and to generate and create this impact change. All our initiatives are basically focused on three big causes or topics. And the first of them is forest protection. And here we do both. We do protection and we do reforestation. We've already planted more than 100,000 trees thanks to our users' actions. What we have is in the app, we have automatic triggers based on behavior of the users, and we help them compensate their daily life. We also have a dashboard where we show the impact generated by the whole community, but also their own impact, so that they can improve and see the evolution. Second one is oceans conservation. Here we've done a lot of actions. Actually, we've done clean coast with employees, with customers. We even did with the kayak team to get into the difficult areas. But our most impactful project is Imagin Sea. These sea bins we've installed. We started installing last year, and we are still installing this year in several harbors among Spain in order to collect plastics and microplastics. This is like a tiny tool, but actually it's very powerful. It has to be emptied once or twice per day, depending on how much waste there is in the sea. And last but not least, strategic collaborations. One of them is the one that we are sharing today with you, imaginPlanet, the one we are leading together with Xavier, and some others that we are encouraging with other B Corp companies, such as Too Good To Go, where we try to avoid food waste. And yes, as I said, I'm not going to go longer, but deeper together with Xavier, so that you can know a bit more about the imaginPlanet Challenge, this program that combines sustainability and entrepreneurship. Thank you very much for your attention, and I hope you enjoy it.
Thank you, Anna. imaginPlanet Challenge, a big competition to generate ideas for a better world. This program is about innovation. We are looking for solutions to solve the sustainability problems that we have in our planet. So this is about creativity and innovation. This problem is about education. The participants, the Imaginers, as we call them, learn innovative tools and methodology to be more creative and innovative in their lives. And this program is about, and maybe this is the most important goal for us, is about transformation. The Imaginers live a real entrepreneurial experience, and they realize that we can achieve when we work as a team, with methodology, and with a positive mental attitude. So this is a 6-month program. We have webinars once a month in Imagin Café Barcelona. It's a very nice place in the center of the city. We invite experts and mentors to inspire the participants in these webinars. We broadcast the webinars via streaming, so you can watch the videos online, and you can view the content in the Imagin app. We have the Lombard method of innovation. This is a 4-phase method, based in design thinking, but with a lot of design doing. We have 4 phases. The first one is inspiration, to understand the problem and the user that had the problem. The second one is ideation, to generate a lot of ideas and convert the best ideas into a solution. The third one is prototyping, to validate the ideas. And the 4th phase is communication, to communicate our ideas in front of investors, of the media. This is an improvement of this second edition. We're going to universities all over the country to work with the students, and in a 3-hour workshop we call Dream Big, we generate a lot of ideas from the universities. So I see Andrea here. We have a very intense agenda for the next month, and we are visiting a lot of universities all over the country. And as a super improvement of this second edition, we have a grand prize for the winning team. Is a trip to San Francisco, to Silicon Valley, to participate in an incubation program in our creativity center in San Mateu, California, visiting the most innovative companies as Google, Meta, Netflix, Tesla, official workshops with Stanford University and Berkeley University. And the idea is to convert the ideas into a reality to generate a positive impact in our planet. So, after this amazing summer, we have a demo day here in 2022, September 2022, in Imagin Café, and the winning team and maybe other teams can present their ideas in front of the investors and in front of the media. As a proof of success of this program, we have here today 2 winning teams of the first edition, and I think we have a good opportunity to know their proposals. So, first, I want to welcome Vanesa Enríquez, the co-founder of Kidalos.
So, did you know that the lifespan of a toy is from 1 week to 3 months? In the 72% of the cases, I'm sure that you know what I'm talking about. Good morning, everybody. I am Vanesa, co-founder of Kidalos. And this data is a real problem. A majority of parents are having concerns about which toy will be the best for the kids. And once they buy them, many times the result is unexpected, and the toy is only used for a very limited time. This, of course, leads in a very dissatisfied parents and a big footprint. Kids evolve so fast, and also their needs and their entertainment interests. So we know that playing and learning is essential, and we want to do that in a very easy and sustainable way with our solution, with Kidalos. Kidalos is a toy-sharing rotational service where families can have access to different products and toys, and they don't need to buy them. And how it works, it's very easy, right? We in Kidalos have all the products. Families only have to access, choose the toys that they want to have, receive them, they learn and play with them, and then return them. We also offer flexibility to families so they can either keep renting or they can buy them. And now talking about our business model, we, of course, are a B2C model where families can have our access, right, our platform in a membership subscription. Also B2B2C, where big companies can give to their employees benefits. And further on, manufacturers that will want to be featured on our platform as we bring their brand closer to potential customers. Our value is very clear. Of course, we have digital access, and it's very easy to use. We allow families that they can try more and more toys. Of course, we reduce their impact, and they are sure that all the products are of the best of the quality. And last but not least, they can save time, money, and space at their homes. Now talking about potential market out there, just you to know, here in Spain, we have more than 3 million homes with kids from 0 to 7, 8. That's the range of our platform. And the current income of toy industry is more than 20 billion in Europe. So, of course, there's a big potential here, and we know that we can change the way that toy industry is working. There's a little bit more of information about market. Of course, we know that we have competitors out there. Of course, second-hand marketplaces such as Wallapop, Vinted, and traditional e-commerce and shops. We want to position ourselves as the leading solution for parents of today and parents of tomorrow. Now we are focused on traction, and our team is very complete. We have Andrea, who is my co-founder, and she has experience in growth and marketing and brand management. We have Mark Riva, who is the techy one, who is in charge in the web development and has several experience in apps and web implementations, and myself, that I have experience in operational management. As I said, now we are focused on traction, right? We launched our MVP beta platform on September. We have made some tests about caption, and we are now focused on B2B agreements and to be accessible to a lot of families. Here a little bit of information on our goals. And that's it. I hope that you like the project, and I will be very, very happy to answer any question or meet you here. Thank you.
You have any questions? If not, are you having fun with this adventure?
Yeah, of course. Not only because we are all around the toys, but because all the process is very, we are learning a lot, and we are having fun. We have each week new things to do, and yeah, it's very awesome. Yeah.
Okay, thank you, and good luck. And thank you, Andrea, too. Thank you. So now we have the second winning team of the first edition. We have EcoDeliver. Maybe the Kidalos is the Netflix of toys. So now we have the BlaBlaCar of delivery. So please welcome Patrick and Mateu, the co-founders of EcoDeliver. Thank you.
Hello, everybody. Thank you, Xavier, for the introduction. We are super excited to be here. It is not the first time that we come to the Mobile World Congress, but it is the first time that we do it as speakers. And I can tell you that it is way cooler from this side of the stage. As you guys know, we are the co-founders of EcoDeliver. And we define EcoDeliver as the first logistics operator to offer 100% eco-friendly parcel deliveries for e-commerce. Before we tell you how we do it, I want to tell you why we do it, because I think it's super important. The e-commerce sector has been growing by leaps and bounds recently. Take into account that only in Spain daily, there's more than 2 million packages being delivered. On top of that, from 2017 to 2020, this sector grew at 70%. This is not marginal, and it is not trivial. Each one of these packages adds up to megatons of CO2 emissions yearly. This is why we've made the objective of EcoDeliver to lead a sustainable movement in the parcel delivery industry. Now, Patrick will tell you how we do it.
All right, so Mateu explained very well what we do at EcoDeliver. Said, in short, it's doing 100% sustainable deliveries. But when I talk about sustainable deliveries, what is the first thing that comes to mind? I bet it's talking about electric vehicles, right? And while indeed electric vehicles are a great solution for performing sustainable deliveries, this is only a viable option when we're talking about the deliveries inside of a city. But what happens with the hundreds and hundreds of kilometers these packages have to travel before they make it to that last destination, to the city of destination where they will be distributed? This is why at EcoDeliver, with a bit of imagination and a lot of hard work, we've come up with an innovative model that goes beyond electric mobility when it comes to making deliveries sustainable. The core idea behind the EcoDeliver model is to allow people who are already planning to travel between the large cities of the country to take advantage of the unused space inside of the vehicles to transport packages. But now let's have a look at how the whole model works, what delivery with EcoDeliver looks like. The trip starts with our client, the e-commerce. At our client's warehouse, we will pass by with using our own electric vehicles, and we will relocate all of these packages to our own warehouse inside of the region. There, we will organize and we will be preparing all of those packages in big, large bags so that they are convenient to transport. Now comes the collaborative part. Using a community of drivers, a community similar to the one of Verdaguer, a community that we've baptized as the eco-drivers, people will be able to, through our app, reserve the transportation of these packages, and then when they're going to travel, conveniently pass by our warehouse, load onto their vehicle a couple or three of these large bags filled with packages, and upon their arrival at their city of destination, for example, if tomorrow you're going back to Madrid, maybe you live there, you will be just having to pass by the warehouse, load the packages, and upon your destination, deliver them at our warehouse in Madrid. A very convenient 5 minutes deviation. Doing this, you will have collaborated in the creation of this sustainable model. From here on, we will again take care of the transportation. Using again our unique electric vehicles, we will be delivering the packages inside of the city of Madrid. As you probably already realized, what we're talking about here is not a pure shared economy model. What we're doing is combining and making a hybrid between the traditional models and the more pure shared economy models. This allows us to combine not only the market share and the scalability and the prices of the traditional models, but also keep the sustainability core values of the more shared economy models. To put into numbers, if you were to be doing this trip from Barcelona to Valencia, for example, or Madrid, you would be earning anywhere between 50 and 70 euros for collaborating. And this will allow us to have a cost structure that will allow us to offer prices that are extremely competitive within the sector, offering at around 3 euros per package.
Well, and we'd like to finish with our last achievements and next steps. Recently, we've achieved a couple of very important milestones for us, which is the first one, we've raised our first investment round, which we will use the capital, and we're using the capital to get the fleet and the vehicles that we need, setting up the warehouses, everything. We actually already have the vans. I wish I could show you a picture, but I guess you'll have to wait and see them driving around Barcelona and the cities, and you'll recognize you and you see the logo of our company. On top of that, we've reached an agreement with Coconut, which is a leading cosmetics, sustainable cosmetics brand, very big e-commerce in Barcelona, and we've reached an agreement with them to do the launch, first doing last mile deliveries in Barcelona, and thereon expanding our model to Madrid and Valencia.
All right, well, thank you very much. We want to encourage any e-commerce who shares our values to approach us and talk about a possible collaboration. And also, we want to inform you that we're preparing upon our testing of the model. We're looking forward to start a new round of funding. So we want to encourage any investor to start mapping our metrics and then approach us when the time comes for this investment round.
We consider this the first step to being the leading sustainable courier, not only 4 years from now, but also 10 and 20 years from now. Thank you very much.
Thank you. Thank you. I think we have time for one question, if you want to ask something to EcoDeliver. If not, sorry, Patrick.
Yes. No, of course.
You talked a little bit, but what is your next step exactly?
Well, as we said, we are setting everything up. We are super excited, getting the vans, having the logo put on them so they look pretty, and we can be proud. When we drive them around the city, we're setting up everything up with the warehouses, agreements, everything. We're also looking forward to start hiring people so we can, of course, get the deliveries done in time and with quality.
Right now, yeah, I would say our next very, very large milestone that we're going to start in the few upcoming months is starting to deliver within the city of Barcelona, as Mateu was explaining, together with Coconut, a leading brand in sustainability and sustainable cosmetics. And upon having done this and performed these deliveries within Barcelona, we're going to be launching our collaborative part of the model, incorporating the transportation between Barcelona, Valencia, and Madrid.
And maybe any advice from the new participants of the imaginPlanet Challenge?
To never lose courage, transmit your message with all of the passion that I'm sure that you'll have for your idea and your model, and to always keep going forward.
Okay, Thank you so much. Thank you, Patrick. Thank you, Mateu. So, this is imaginPlanet Challenge. I think this is a good opportunity to generate fantastic startups to improve the sustainability of our planet, but also it's a good opportunity to all of you who want to live a real entrepreneurial experience and realize, again, what we can achieve when we work as a team, with method, and with positive mental attitude. So, join us. Applications are still open, so go to our website, imaginplanetchallenge.com, and join the revolution, make a team, and save the planet. Thank you so much.